Tesco Bank Home Insurance Review Usage Experience. Links to Tesco Bank Home Insurance are in the description if you want to check it out. Tesco Bank Home Insurance offers flexible and affordable coverage, making it a great option for UK homeowners looking for a balance between price and protection. They provide two main policy types, Standard and Tesco Bank Home Insurance Premier. The Standard policy covers buildings and contents insurance, protecting against risks like fire, theft, flooding, and storm damage. The Premier policy adds higher coverage limits, accidental damage as standard, and home emergency assistance. A key benefit of Tesco Bank Home Insurance is its Club Card discount, where Tesco Club Card members can receive lower premiums. Additionally, the insurer provides alternative accommodation cover, ensuring that if your home becomes uninhabitable due to an insured event, you'll have somewhere to stay. Policies also come with new for old replacement, meaning damaged or stolen items will be replaced with brand new equivalents. Optional add-ons include accidental damage cover, which protects against unintended breakages, personal possessions cover for items taken outside the home, home emergency cover for urgent repairs, and family legal protection, covering legal expenses related to property disputes, employment issues, and personal injury claims. Tesco Bank's claims process is straightforward, with a 24/7 claims helpline and an easy-to-use online portal for managing policies. While many customers report smooth claims handling, some have noted that response times can vary, especially during high-demand periods. Their customer service is generally rated well, but as with most insurers, it's always a good idea to review policy details carefully before committing. Pricing is competitive, especially with the Club Card discount, but some customers have reported premium increases at renewal, so comparing quotes annually is recommended. Overall, Tesco Bank Home Insurance is a solid choice for homeowners looking for a reputable provider with flexible coverage options. It's particularly ideal for Tesco Club Card holders looking to save on premiums while maintaining comprehensive protection. If you're considering Tesco Bank for your home insurance, check the links in the description for more details or to get a quote.